bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here.
Okay, Sharon, what, we want to explain what this is again? She just told me.
Mexican pinholes and Spanish rice. I'm just kidding.
Sal, what are they?
Mexican pinholes? Pinwheels?
Pinwheels. So Sharon and Sal
You can call
brought
them
us
pinholes, too.
dinner down. Look at those. What's in them?
What's in them, hon?
I don't know, but it's good.
Cream
looks
cheese,
good.
sour cream, cheddar cheese, a red pepper, a can of green chilies, and some onion
Onion? Okay.
and spices.
Right on. Thank you so much. All right, so we're getting ready. We're going to have this, and then we're all going to the car show. Linda. What? You look so short over there. I'm in the middle seat, and it's a little bit higher seat. All right. We're heading down to the car show. It's a bumpy ride. Sue, what did you get?
This is a Moscow Mule. It's always served in a copper cup. It's like vodka, ginger beer, and lime juice, and a little mint.
Nummy.
Very good. I
Or a
tried one
donkey and
about
horse.
5 years ago. There's been no looking back.
Or a
And you
donkey
just
and
got
a
the,
horse.
the standard beer.
I've already had a few beers.
All right, we are just waiting for some hot rods to come down the street. It's not as many this year as there was last time. Yeah, maybe a little cold out, but last year they were really coming up and down the strip here. But that's all right. We'll walk around and see the rest of them.
Hey, isn't this a car like from Greece?
From what?
From like Greece, Lightning, Greece?
Oh, yeah, maybe. I can't remember what kind of car that was.
Looks like something like this.
Yeah, purple truck.
So pretty.
That is nice.
My 79 CBX 1100 Honda, candy apple red. It was so pretty. Oh. Is this the wall that has the... So, here's the wall. And the blue and, I don't know what you call it, red car is here. Actually, a lot of these cars do exist on the strip. And when I was here for the first year, I was sitting just up the hill a little bit, and the hot rod, the red and blue car, was sitting there, and I looked across and I was like, wow, it's on the wall. And I asked the guy, I said, what's going on? And he said, well, it's Thursday. And I was like, okay, well, yeah, it's Thursday. And I walked a little further and seen another hot rod, and I asked the guy, he was sitting in front of his car, I said, what's going on? And he said, well, it's Thursday. And it took a few people before they explained to me that Thursday was when they bring out all the hot rods. That was my first experience here on this boulevard.
Normally the exhaust goes out underneath and out the back, right? And then he presses a button and electrically it opens a valve and all the exhaust comes out right here in a race. Tell me that's not cool.
It's awesome.
Even though it's wrong, I would love to beat one of these up in a parking lot. Give me some soap and some water.
It's a fancy eraser. I just need this thing.
I think it's electric. It's probably electric. But look at that, SS.
It's kind of a joke, but
SS wheels.
like I said, give me some soap and some water in a parking lot.
It's funny. Okay, and of course, on the Chevys here, the only way I learned how to tell the difference is if it had a gas cap. So if I remember right, a 66 or a 56 has no gas cap and it's sitting behind the taillight. Ed, do you know where you fill this car up with fuel? Nope.
Lights?
Yep,
Which one?
that one. So yeah, this is how you tell the difference between a 56 and a 55. 55 has a door here to put fuel in.
Yeah.
56, you turn that top lever and the whole light thing comes down.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
Yeah.
What she did.
Ooh, look at how yummy those look.
Pretty.
Caramel crunch. Hi, how are you? Good.
I think we're just gawking.
Ooh, pink vanilla. Oh my gosh, they look so yummy.
They're big too.
I know.
What are you gonna get?
Oh, those are pretty. Festive. Oh, look, and you can get little minis. So look at the little snowman.
Cute. Aww.
And the Grinch and reindeer. Cute.
Cupcakes. That's for your dog?
Cute. We've got a Baja taco, a pastrami slider, we've got a beef taco, and a digger.
Super digger.
Super digger.
Okay, time to dig into my digger.
Dig in.
Just don't put the man.
Do they have Chicago dogs? I couldn't read that far down the dang menu.
I'm really hungry. I've got some others that have shown up here. Jamie. These guys are not with us, but that's all right. It's kind of a nice big fire to sit around. What'd you think of your digger?
Muy bien, it's all gone.
Yeah, my slider is all gone. Wasn't that big, but I'm going to tell you what, it sure fills you up.
Got my taco and my hot dog, awesome.
Yeah.
$1.50 a piece, can't go wrong.
Nope, good bar food.
Good fire food and good music too.
Bar food.
Fire food.
Fire food?
Fire food, isn't that what you said?
No, bar food.
Bar food? I thought you said fire food.
No, bar food.
For a hot huge bill. We are awesome.
Throw that power plug in.
Oh. Pavement rocking
Offered for sale. But you know what? When he pulled in, he was smoking again.
See, they have these open like
Bring the
this,
lifter.
so you can watch so you can watch the.
That is one pretty puppy. It is sitting on the ground.
Wow.
Look at the roof on it. So pretty.
Donald Trump paid for that car though.
We decided to take a little drive down here across the London Bridge. They've got all the lights up. The town is all lit up down there. Lots
Hey,
of
there's
lights.
our room we stayed in.
Everybody else is headed back to camp. We looked at some more cars and just took a little walk. So just wanted to take a stroll across here. See all the lights. It's a little dark. All right, everybody, we had a really super fun time tonight looking at the hot rods and the old cars and going out and having some dinner with the group. Tacos. Met up with Jamie there at the bar restaurant. We didn't know he was going, but that was kind of fun to see Jamie there. And Scotty brought me down so I could see the lights down here and the London Bridge. So,
Yep.
yeah, so we're going to take a little stroll, and you guys all have a good night. We love you all. Thank you guys for driving along with us. We'll see you guys.
Who lives under the sea? And a pineapple. They're laughing at me over here. Them laughing at me. I like funny things like that. Who lives under the sea in a pineapple?
SpongeBob SquarePants.